Hi, and today at Commizen Dojo, we will be learning how to find the square roots of a number using the prime factorization method. Now, first things first, what is prime factorization? Well, prime factorization, my friend, is a way of representing a number as the product of its prime factors. Now, let's say I want to do the prime factorization of 4. Well, I can represent 4 as 2 multiplied by 2. Why? Because first things first, 2 is a prime number. This is something we know. 2 is a prime number. And to my friend, 2 is also a factor of 4. Great. And we are representing 4 as the product of 2 multiplied by 2. I am representing 4 as the product of 2 multiplied by 2. So over here I am just showing 4 as the product of its prime factors, isn't it? This is what prime factorization is. So now that we know what prime factorization is, now let's say I want to find the square root of 144 using the prime factorization method. Now to find the square root of 144 using the prime factorization method, first I will need to do the prime factorization of 144. So to do the prime factorization of 144, I will show it like this. 144. So 2, this gives us 72. 2, this gives us 36. 2, this gives me 18. 2, this gives me 9. 3 multiplied by 3 gives us 9. 3 multiplied by 1 gives us 3. Great. So this is the prime factorization of 144. Now what I can do is I can represent 144 as the product of these numbers, as the product of its prime factors. So I will show 144 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So I have just represented 144 as the product of these numbers. Great. Now what I want to do is I wanted to find the square root of 144, isn't it? Now to find the square root of 144, what I will do is from these numbers, I will group two same numbers together. So like over here, 2 multiplied by 2, they are the same numbers. So I will group them like this. Over here again, 2 multiplied by 2, they are the same numbers. So I will group them together. Here again, 3 multiplied by 3, they are the same numbers. So I will group them together like this. Now from each of these groups, I will just take out one number. So from 2 multiplied by 2, I will just take one number out. So I will take out 2. Again from this group, I will take one number out. So I will take out 2. Again from here, from 3 multiplied by 3, I will take out one number. So I will take out 3. Now the next step that I need to do is, I need to multiply these three numbers. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. This gives us the answer as 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 4 into 3 is 12. So ladies and gentlemen, the square root of 144 is 12. As simple as that. Now let's say I want to find out the square root of 64. Now to find the square root of 64, I will first do the prime factorization of 64. The prime factorization of 64, it goes something like this. 2, 32, 2 goes by 2 multiplied by 16 is 32. 2 multiplied by 8 is 16. 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. 2 multiplied by 2 is this. And 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. Now I know that I can represent 64 as the product of these numbers. So I will write 64 as 2 multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2. Now I want to find out the square root of 64. Now to find out the square root of 64, from here over here, I will group two same numbers together. So over here 2 multiplied by 2, they are the same numbers. I will group them together like this. Again over here 2 multiplied by 2, they are the same numbers. So I will group them together. Over here again 2 multiplied by 2, they are the same numbers. So I will group them together. Now from each of these groups, I will just pick out one number. So from this group, I will just pick out 2. From this group, again I will just pick one number. So I will pick 2. Over here from this group again, I will just pick one number. So I will pick 2. Now, the final step is that I have to multiply these three numbers. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. This gives us the answer as 8. And ladies and gentlemen, the square root of 64 is 8. Super duper simple. So today we learned how to do the today we learned how to find the square roots of a number using the prime factorization method. So I hope you understood everything. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.